In the vast expanse of space where silence reigns and the stars stretch endlessly in every direction, our solar system has witnessed countless dramatic events. Among these, one stands out as both terrifying and awe-inspiring. A moment when the fate of our planet and its only natural satellite hung in the balance. An event nearly rewrote the story of our world, threatening to erase everything we know and cherish. Imagine for a moment the entire history of life on Earth teetering on the edge of oblivion, all because of a cosmic near miss. This was the day when Earth almost devoured the moon, a scenario that could have changed the very fabric of our existence. The moon, which has always been a symbol of calm and constancy in our night sky, was nearly lost forever in a single catastrophic moment. It sounds like ancient myth, a tale whispered by early astronomers gazing up in wonder, but this is no legend. It's a real chapter in cosmic history, written in the scars and craters that mark both worlds. For billions of years, the Earth and Moon have been dance partners, locked in a gravitational embrace. Their orbits are a delicate choreography, a cosmic waltz that has shaped tides, seasons, and even the evolution of life itself. But this dance was nearly disrupted by a near-catastrophic event, one that could have shattered the harmony we so often take for granted. The forces at play were immense, the consequences almost unimaginable. Imagine a force so great it could bring the moon crashing into our planet, unleashing devastation on a scale never before seen. The collision would have sent shockwaves through the solar system, altering the course of history for every living thing on Earth. The energy released would dwarf anything humanity has ever witnessed, seas boiling, continents shattering, and the sky darkened by debris. The moon's impact would have transformed Earth into an unrecognizable wasteland. The mere thought is enough to send shivers down your spine. It's a chilling reminder of how fragile our place in the universe truly is, and how quickly everything we know could be swept away by forces beyond our control. Earth, usually nurturing and life-giving, almost became a predator to its celestial companion. The very planet that supports us nearly turned on the moon, threatening to consume it in a moment of cosmic violence. The near collision is a testament to the unpredictable nature of the cosmos. Even the most stable relationships in space can be upended by the invisible hand of gravity and chance. Scientists have pieced together this dramatic episode through careful study of lunar rocks, ancient craters, and the subtle clues left behind in the orbits of both Earth and Moon. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding just how close we came to disaster. Today, the Earth and Moon continue their timeless dance, orbiting each other in a fragile harmony. Their story is a powerful reminder of the balance that governs our existence, a balance that must never be taken for granted. In understanding this event, we gain insight into the delicate balance that keeps our world safe, and the ever-present forces that shape the destiny of planets, moons, and life itself. The near disaster wasn't a cosmic mistake, nor was it a random fluke of the universe. Instead, it was the result of the intricate and delicate dance that governs the relationship between our planet and its only natural satellite. Every movement in space, every orbit, and every gravitational pull is part of a much larger interconnected system that has been in motion for billions of years. What happened was not a failure of nature but a demonstration of the powerful forces at play in celestial mechanics. The laws of physics, which keep the Earth and Moon locked in their eternal embrace, are both beautiful and unforgiving. They leave no room for error, and even the smallest change can have dramatic consequences. It all began with a subtle shift in the gravitational forces binding Earth and Moon. These forces are invisible, yet they are constantly at work, pulling and tugging, maintaining a fragile equilibrium. Over time, even a tiny change in this balance can set off a chain reaction, altering the orbits and distances between these two celestial bodies. Imagine a tightrope walker, carefully placing one foot in front of the other, high above the ground. The walker relies on perfect balance. One misstep, and the entire act is thrown into chaos. In much the same way, the Earth and Moon must maintain their balance, or risk a catastrophic fall. This balance was nearly disrupted, bringing the Moon dangerously close to our planet. For a brief moment, the distance between Earth and Moon shrank, and the consequences could have been devastating. Tides would have surged, weather patterns could have shifted, and life as we know it might have been forever changed. A slight change in rotation or orbit can send ripples through space, much like a pebble tossed into a still pond. These ripples can grow, affecting not just the Earth and Moon, but potentially other objects in our solar system as well. The interconnectedness of space means that nothing happens in isolation. Think of it as a cosmic tug-of-war, where both sides must pull with just the right amount of force. If one side suddenly yanks harder, the balance is lost, and the consequences can be dire. The gravitational pull between Earth and Moon is like that rope, constantly under tension, always at risk of slipping. This time, the jerk almost pulled the Moon closer than ever before. The near miss was a stark reminder of how finely tuned our cosmic neighborhood truly is. It's a testament to the power and unpredictability of the universe, and a warning of what can happen when the balance is disturbed. The reasons behind these events are complex, involving countless variables and forces, but at its core, it all comes down to balance, a delicate equilibrium that must be maintained at all costs. Without it, the harmony of our world and its moon could be shattered in an instant. The Earth and Moon must remain in harmony, orbiting together in a cosmic dance that has lasted for eons. If that harmony is ever broken, the results could be disastrous. Not just for our planet, but for everything that depends on this delicate balance. If Earth and Moon had collided, the consequences would have been catastrophic. The Moon's impact could trigger massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Shockwaves would devastate the planet and possibly alter evolution. The Moon stabilizes Earth's climate and axial tilt. Without it, chaos would follow. Tides would become unpredictable, affecting marine life and coastlines. Debris from the impact could block sunlight, plunging Earth into a mini ice age. Life as we know it might not have survived. This scenario underscores the Moon's vital role in our planet's stability. The near miss reminds us how close we came to a very different world. The Earth and Moon share a delicate dance, governed by gravity. This relationship is one of the most important in our solar system, shaping not only the appearance of our night sky, but also the very conditions that make life on Earth possible. From the moment the Moon formed, likely from a colossal impact billions of years ago, it has been locked in a gravitational embrace with our planet, influencing Earth in profound ways. The Moon orbits Earth, both influenced by each other's pull. This gravitational connection is so strong that it not only keeps the Moon circling our planet, but also causes both bodies to tug at each other, creating subtle movements and shifts that are felt over time. The Moon's orbit is not a perfect circle, but rather an elongated ellipse, which means its distance from Earth is constantly changing. Their relationship is a cosmic waltz around a shared center of mass, the barycenter. This point, located about 1,700 kilometers beneath Earth's surface, is where the masses of Earth and Moon balance each other. Both bodies actually orbit this invisible point, not just the Moon around Earth, making their motion more complex and beautiful than it might first appear. The Moon's elliptical orbit means their distance varies over time. Sometimes the Moon is closer to us, appearing larger and brighter in the sky, while at other times it drifts farther away, shrinking in our view. This constant change is a reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system. At its closest point, called perigee, the Moon is about 225,000 miles away from Earth. During these times we experience what's known as a supermoon, when the Moon appears especially large and luminous in the night sky, captivating skywatchers around the world. At its farthest, known as apogee, the Moon is about 252,000 miles away. When the Moon is at apogee, it appears smaller and dimmer, sometimes called a micromoon. These changes in distance subtly affect the tides and even the way we perceive the Moon's beauty. This variation is part of their natural rhythm, a cycle that repeats every month and has been ongoing for billions of years. The regularity of the Moon's orbit has helped humans track time, inspiring calendars and rituals across cultures. Gravity keeps the Moon in orbit, preventing it from drifting away or crashing down. This invisible force is the glue that binds the Earth-Moon system together, ensuring that the Moon remains a constant companion in our sky. Without gravity's steady pull, the Moon would simply fly off into space. The Moon's pull causes tides, crucial for marine life and ecosystems. These tides help circulate nutrients in the oceans, support the migration of countless species, and even shape the coastlines we know today. The rhythmic rise and fall of the tides is a direct result of the Moon's gravitational influence, connecting our planet's water to the heavens above. It also stabilizes Earth's tilt, helping maintain a stable climate. The Moon acts as a kind of anchor, preventing Earth's axis from wobbling too much over time. This stability is essential for the development of life, as it keeps our seasons regular and our climate relatively mild. Without the moon, Earth's axis could wobble, leading to extreme climate swings. Such instability could make it difficult for life to thrive, with unpredictable weather and dramatic changes in temperature. The Earth-Moon relationship then is not just a cosmic curiosity, it's a vital partnership that has shaped the history and future of our planet. The near collision might have remained a mystery without scientists' diligence. Using telescopes and computer models, astronomers pieced together clues from orbital data. It was like solving a cosmic puzzle, each piece revealing more of the story. Lunar rocks from Apollo missions provided vital information about the moon's history. By studying these samples, scientists inferred the gravitational forces at play. This research illuminated a forgotten chapter of our cosmic past. The findings sparked curiosity in the scientific community. It highlighted the importance of continued exploration and vigilance. Understanding such events helps us prepare for future cosmic threats. Scientists learned crucial lessons about the dynamics of celestial bodies. Monitoring gravitational forces between Earth and Moon is essential. They're not static. Understanding these changes helps predict future interactions and threats. The event highlighted the need for better technology and international cooperation. Advances in telescopes and modeling are vital for monitoring space. It reminded us of our planet's fragility and the interconnectedness of celestial bodies. Studying such events helps us develop strategies to protect Earth. Despite its significance, the near-collision story is little known. Time and the flood of new discoveries push older events into obscurity. The technical nature of the discovery makes it hard for the public to grasp. Without dramatic consequences, the event faded from collective memory. Had there been a collision, it would be a major historical event. But because disaster was averted, it left little mark on history. The story remains a footnote in the annals of space. Yet, its lessons are no less important for our future. Studying past space events is vital for understanding our universe. These events offer insights into the forces shaping our cosmos and potential threats. By examining history, scientists can better predict and protect against future dangers. It reminds us of the delicate balance sustaining life on Earth. This awareness fosters stewardship of our planet and curiosity about the universe. Learning from the past guides decisions in exploration and planetary protection. Preserving these stories inspires future generations of scientists and explorers. They are a testament to humanity's resilience and ingenuity. The tale of Earth's near disaster with the moon is a powerful reminder of cosmic forces. It underscores the need to understand celestial dynamics and potential threats. While the event may be forgotten, its lessons remain vital for protecting our planet. Studying past events gives us insight into the balance required for life. As we explore further, let's not forget the lessons of the past. By learning from history, we prepare for the unknown and safeguard our future. Let this story serve as a beacon of hope and a call to action for all who seek to protect the cosmos.